Hello everyone and welcome to Kaksha's Scholarship Prep on Verbal Reasoning. Today we'll go through question 6 of our 1000 question series session. As always, we'll have 15 seconds to analyze the question and come up with a solution or answer to the question. In this video, we'll also give you the correct answer as well as detailed explanation on how we derived to the solution or the answer to the question. In the end, you'll also get tips and tricks on how to tackle questions of a similar nature. So the question is, assume that all logs are spok, all et are pust, all pust are spok, and no logs are pust. Therefore, it follows that the options are A, no et can be logs, B, all spok are pust, C, all pust are logs, D, some logs might be et, and D, all spok are et. You got 15 seconds. All right, folks, your time's up. Let's check out the answer. So the correct answer is A. No et can be logs. Now, let's analyze this question. Let's go through the next, let's understand the given information. So we are given a set of logical statements. All logs are spok. So what does this mean? This means every log belongs to spok. All et are pust. This means every et belongs to pust. All pust are spok. This means pust is a subset of spok. No logs are pust. This means logs and pust are completely separate. Look at the keywords all, some, no. These are keywords, and I'll explain you in detail what why these keywords are so important. So let's analyze the answer. So why option B is incorrect? All spok are pust. Because spok contains both logs and pust. And logs are inside spok but not inside pust, since no logs are pust. If all spok were pust, then logs would also be pust, which contradicts the given information. So contradiction, so we eliminate this option. The option C is also incorrect. All pust are logs because pust and logs are separate since no logs are pust. All pust are inside spok, but this does not mean all pust are logs. So this is incorrect. So we eliminate this option as well. Option D is incorrect. Some logs might be et. Logs are completely separate from pust. Et is inside pust. Since logs can never be inside pust, logs can never be et. So this is incorrect. So we discard this option as well. And option E, all spok are et, is incorrect as well because spok contains logs and pust, but not all spok are pust since logs exist outside of pust. So since et is inside pust and not all spok are pust, spok cannot be entirely et. So this is incorrect. We eliminate option E as well. So the correct answer is A. No et can be logs. So et is inside pust, logs are outside pust, since no logs are pust. If logs and pust do not overlap, then et cannot be logs. So this is the correct conclusion. Now, this is all too texty. Let's try to visualize this information with some tips and tricks. So what we do in here is we are going to apply process of elimination technique, and we'll visualize this information by drawing a Venn diagram. So what we'll do is we'll analyze each option step by step and eliminate the correct or the incorrect answers based on the given information. That is called process of elimination. So we eliminate incorrect answers. We also identify some keywords, as I was mentioning before, all, some, no, are, to determine subset relationships. So, the given statements are, all logs are spok. So logs are completely inside spok. All et are pust. So et is fully inside pust. All pust are spok. Pust is also inside spok. No logs are pust. Logs and pust do not overlap at all. So if we had to visualize this in a form of a Venn diagram, that's how I would visualize, or we would visualize this information. All logs are spok. You see the green area, which is spok. We have logs inside spok. All et are pust. So it's a separate circle in here, and we have et inside pust. All pust are spok. So that's why we have pust inside spok. No logs are pust. So if you see logs, it is separate. The logs circle is separate to the pust circle. That makes it really easy for us to visualize this information and derive to the correct answer. So the final summary is read carefully. Read the statements carefully and break down each statement into simple relationships. Number two, draw a Venn diagram. As you could see, it makes the visualization of information really easy, and at the same time, it helps you to come up with the conclusion faster. Check each answer choice systematically against the given information. Use process of elimination. Avoid logical fallacies like reversing relationships or assuming unstated facts. And the last, process of elimination. This is the best technique that you can use to remove wrong choices and confirm the best answer. So folks, I hope you like this video. Please go to www.kaksha.com. We have hundreds of practice videos and exercises on verbal reasoning and other scholarship topics. At the same time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, where every single day we are uploading more content on scholarship. Good luck. Thank you.